want to take this opportunity to thank God, first of all, for risking and entrusting this great mission to us, that we serve his people, we join him in making this world a better place. Thank you, dear Lord, for your divine providence, for your sustenance. Thank you, dear Lord, for the great faith that you keep putting in us, even when things are tough. We also want to thank you, our dear people who have always come to us. Thank you for making us part of your stories. And we pledge our total commitment to serving you for the rest of the years to come. And also want to say we are happy, and you are the reason as to why we are celebrating these years. Thank you, all those who have supported us in one way or another. Those of you who have given us your resources, our clients, our benefactors, and everyone who has spiritually supported us. We are eternally grateful, and we pray for you that you be blessed.